city people never do grow up. Tonight I got those old road city blues. Tonight I got those old road city would have torn this up, man. I'll tell you, you got a minute? I'll just tell you this one more story. This story is kind of not funny, but I laugh all the time when I think about it. It was sort of traumatic when it happened. I don't know, you ever see those shoes, like those they have holes in them? They're like sandals and there's holes in them? Crocs. Okay, so I know the guy that invented those fucking things. I'm not kidding you, man. I'm not kidding you. George Bodecker. Look him up. He's my running buddy. He's like Arthur. Remember that movie, Arthur? George breaks out in handcuffs everywhere we go. He doesn't give a shit. So one time, we were at the studio and Elizabeth Cook, and she was there singing, and George owned the label that the band was on. He came by and he went to get strings for everybody, and when he was gone, he called from his cell phone, and manager Bert put him on speakerphone, and he said, I just wanted to tell you all that Elizabeth Cook, she's a real fine woman. She's doing a real good job on the record. And then in the background, you hear someone say, sir, I said, put down the phone. You know? And then you just hear this big collision. And then a lot like my guy friend with the foot. But here's where it gets ugly though. So this guy's got some fuck ton of money. He's got a plane and all this stuff. And he on one tour a long time ago, he came in, he was flying to the shows, and he would take me with him on his plane. On his own fucking plane, you could smoke weed in it, you know. Oh, it was so great. You could bring your dog, nobody hassled you. And he had all this Adderall that was going around at the time. I didn't know what it was, but I'll fucking take whatever. In fact, I don't give the deal with the vaccine. Fuck, who doesn't want drugs? I'll take any drugs you got. It's a speed kind of a thing. So we had been awake for a while, and then we get up to this town, I forget where it was, someplace like Montana, Wyoming or something. And I get out on stage and everybody's being a little rowdy, which doesn't bother me, but there's this one guy going, free bird! And you could tell he didn't want to hear free bird, he just wanted to be a dick, you know? And I let it get to me, and I was like, man, I'm not gonna play that, you know, shut up, or whatever I said. It didn't work because he kept saying it. And I said, look, man, I've said something to the effect of, we're about to get into a debate over who cares more about money right now, and I don't care about it at all. Meaning I would leave and he could eat his 20 bucks or whatever. And I don't know why I said that, because then he kept yelling it. So I said, fuck it. I was like 4 songs into the show. I said, fuck it, fuck you, I'm leaving, right? And everybody booed. Oh. And then, and my friend comes back and says, that's the coolest thing I've ever seen. I said, what do you mean? He goes, they're booing them there. And I was like, yeah, that's fine. Is that? And he was like, can I try? And I said, what do you mean, can you try? And so he went out there and was like, and he said, Todd's not coming back because of y'all. And they booed him. And he came back and was like, that was the greatest thing. And I'm like, I don't think we're gonna get out of here, man. And I don't know what to do now, you know. And he said, well, why did you even leave in the first place? And I said, that guy kept fucking yelling Freebird every 5 seconds. And he said, that was me, man. If I leave here tomorrow, still remember me, 'cause I must be traveling on now. There's too many places I've gotta see, and if I was to stay here with you, baby, you know it wouldn't be the same. I'm as free as a bird, and a bird you cannot. So my baby, it's been a sweet love, yeah, yeah. I know this feeling is kind of strange, but please don't take it so badly. Lord knows I'm to blame. And if I was to stay here with you, girl, you know it wouldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now, and a bird you can't change.